Good morning, class. Today's topic is inheritance. Inheritance basically means to inherit the properties. Like, for example, the child inherits the properties from his or her parents. In the similar fashion, we are using the same concept in the C++ programming language. So it has got certain benefits. Let us first of all discuss what are the benefits of using the inheritance in our programming. So first advantage is the reusability of the code. Inheritance helps the code to be reused in many situations. Using the concept of inheritance, the programmer can create as many classes from the base class as needed while adding specific features to each derived class as per the requirement. It means, like the real-time example, if the child is inheriting the properties from the parents, so in a similar manner, in programming language, we define one class which is known as parent class or base class. It will contain certain variables and functions which are generic in nature, जो बहुत जेनरिक होंगे और उस क्लास से हम लोग डिराइव करेंगे या इनहेरिट करेंगे उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ को, यानी उसके वेरिएबल्स और फंक्शंस को इन द चाइल्ड क्लास. So, in this way, we are inheriting the properties from the parent class to the child class. Also, हम एक parent class या base class बना के I can form as many child classes as I require. So, the same properties which we have defined in the parent class will be inherited in all the child classes which are inherited from that parent class.